Good morning, guys. And today we are shooting my day one of getting back to my workout routine. Sorry for my voice, but it's been ages now that I've worked out because of office and I don't know, a lot of travel and etc. etc. So that has made me super lazy. And now this whole vlog is going to be about getting back. So I'm going to vlog each and everything that I do on a daily basis just to show you guys what I'm really, getting into. So let's not waste more time and get into the video. So it's almost been a year that I haven't worked out, and I was just thinking that let's call it a day one as I'm continuing from scratch, like literally. Okay, don't mind this whole thing because it's a new washroom and we're renovating it. Yes, so this is what I start with. Sephora. This is really good for my skin. I mean, this is like a powder. You just have to add like 2-3 drops of water and then you put it. Yeah, so coming back to what I was talking about. Okay, let it set for a minute, then we can talk. Okay, so coming back to my topic, why I wanted to was because can you see a cute little double chin here? So I've got a muffin top as well, and now I really want to get back into shape because I have a couple of traveling plans, maybe vacation or whatever. But I also, apart from all these, I like to see my body in a certain way. I like to be healthy. I like to look healthy. I don't know, it just gives me that energy, that instant energy. I don't know if you're getting what I'm talking about, but yeah. So this is how it works for me. And let's hope that this vlogging journey just gives me that kind of energy, that kind of vibe actually, that I can tell my story while I'm transforming myself. I don't want to be like completely skinny or something, but yeah, I want to get leaner. I want to be a little lean. So let's see. One second. Okay, so we're all fresh and ready. Now I'll just go get changed and I'll tell you more about my journey and everything later. A little change of location because there was too much noise downstairs. Yeah, so this is what I'm wearing. There is this white Reebok sports bra and nahi dekh sakte aap. This is this black legging that I'm wearing for the gym. Yeah, so let's get into it. How many calories have you lost?
8 so far.
So it says levels of calm, guys. we're done with our day one workout. And Rahul, how do you feel?
How many calories have you lost? तेरे को क्या लगता है?
382.
Are you sure? आधा तो आई थिंक 8 कैलोरीज तो हमने सिर्फ वॉक करते हुए निकाल दिया ना.
Now 390.
Yeah, fitness goals, guys.
Oh, day one of fitness and then this happened. You pick up protein bar.
क्या है मेरे को तो बस मैं तो ये लेने आया.
Oh, that's it.
देखो कैसी?
I thought you wanted chips, right?
No, I don't.
You wanted a chocolate coated croissant. Oh, you wanted chocolate.
I don't.
Are you sure? You were just telling you wanted Red Bull.
So we're here for a quick grocery run just because we wanted some healthy stuff since we're working out now. Let's see. I think I'm gonna get
Okay, we're getting this. Then what are we getting?
this.
What do you want? That's how a cart looks like.
I think I will definitely take a blueberry packet like that. Get some mangoes. And which one is good? I'm not sure. Looks nice. This looks nice. Okay, cool. That's it.
Dude, I want this. I want this. Even though it's not healthy, but it's so good. Look at this. So we came to this place called Evoke, which has all vegan stuff. So I'm just seeing if I can find shirataki noodles. It's not that great to taste, but then I like it. I like it.
So this place has some really healthy snacks. This is literally 130 calories.
I don't think I can find shirataki anywhere here. Let's try. There's so many snacks, which is like low in carbs. I'm in love. I just love this place. This is my go-to place when I want to buy healthy snacks. I'm still looking for shirataki. Okay, let's check the section. Okay, I found it. Okay, what is this? Oh, shirataki rice. What's this? Okay, I think I'm gonna get 2 packets of this. Finally back home, and now I just want to freshen up. Done with grocery shopping, done with workout, and my first day was really nice. Didn't do much, but I feel productive.
थोड़ा मज़ा आया and I took my childhood friend Rahul with me and बहुत मस्ती की and I'm hoping that I continue just like this and show you guys my journey.
Finally done with freshening up, and this is my lunch. ये quinoa है, and there's some palak dal. This for dessert, and the sabji. Okay, so before having lunch, my cousin has sent me something. तो मुझे देखना है कि क्या है इसमें. I've already opened it half, but let me just check what exactly is inside this. And oh, interesting. Oh, okay, he sent me all. Wait, क्यों नहीं देखा? Okay, yeah. sent me all Plum products, guys. He knows how much I love skincare and beauty products and everything. He sent me a whole hamper which has body wash, body mist, and
Perfume. And this is also another body mist. This is body wash. Oh my god, can't wait to try these. Okay, so Raksha Bandhan, done well. I'm so proud of my brother. He's my younger brother from Pune, so he sent me this and I love it. Approved.
Okay, guys, so with this, I think I'll be ending my vlog for the day because I just had a really productive day, and after this, it's just gonna be work and all that. So, but right now, I'm just feeling fresh. I finally worked out, and I would want to continue this, which is why I'm making this vlog, ताकि the people who are actually not ready to get into fitness, या अगर आप भी मेरी तरह struggle कर रहे हो to get up and do something, so I hope this helps you. I hope this video motivates you to go, because मेरे लिए ये बहुत motivational day था, that connecting with you guys like this and talking about my journey, as I used to be an athlete before, and now because of work and our lifestyle has changed and all, because of all that, so due to all the changes in my life, I have just forgotten about fitness. क्योंकि एक टाइम था जब मैं बैठ के during COVID, that was when I was in my final year, मैं graduate कर रही थी. तो ड्यूरिंग माई ग्रेजुएशन मैंने इतना वर्कआउट किया. आई यूज्ड टू वर्कआउट ट्वाइस अ डे, क्योंकि तब और कुछ करने को नहीं था. आई यूज्ड टू हैव फन, आई यूज्ड टू डू कैलिस्थेनिक्स, आई यूज्ड टू डू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. बट फिलहाल वी गॉट सो ऑक्यूपाइड कि किसी चीज़ के लिए टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था, कुछ भी करने के लिए टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था. सो आई फॉरगॉटन माई वर्कआउट. एक टाइम था जब मैं एक्चुअली पुलअप्स कर सक रही थी, लिटरली कर सकती थी. आई एम स्टिल अ रूकी, आई स्टिल हैव दैट लिटिल स्ट्रेंथ इन मी, बट आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव दैट मच स्ट्रेंथ एनी मोर. सो आई वॉन्ट टू गेट बैक, honestly, not to just lose weight and get back into shape, but honestly to be better. Like, I want to be better for myself. I want to improve my health, and those who are right now struggling with their workout routines in their life, like they're doing the business or 9 to 5 jobs or whatever, I hope this video is a little relatable for you guys. Like, you can relate my story to yours, and please do let me know if you want to see anything else that I do in my life, daily life. And yes, I hope I keep making this daily vlogs and fitness vlog. I don't want to actually get into say basically ki it's a fitness vlog. It's just I want to continue. I want to have a consistency with my workout, and I want to show you guys ki how you can start from scratch again and still achieve your goals. Okay, so I'm not putting any target or challenge. तो ये शायद ऐसा vlog नहीं होगा जहाँ पे I'll be challenging myself कि 30-day challenge or something. No, it's just I want to be better for myself, and I would want to watch people get inspired by my journey. And I hope that if they should be saying this later कि हाँ अगर ये कर सकती है तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. So much love to you guys, much power, and please encourage me more by putting your comments down कि मैं what videos I can do, or if you like the video more. And please join my journey and keep motivating me so that I can make more videos and more content. And this is not only gonna be a fitness vlog, it's also gonna be a lifestyle stuff, because I am a social media manager. I also like to go to fashion shows, and
I like to explore new restaurants also. But yeah, my major is in fashion, and I hope that I can show. I mean, आपको और दिख ही जाएगा वैसे आगे जाते as I keep making new vlogs. So please guys, yes, hope you like it, and do follow my journey. Let's grow together. Let's see how it goes. Right, thank you, much love. Bye.